Hi guys, so today I wanted to do another quick video testing out this new hair color product. This is a one-day hair color treatment. I choose the color raspberry. I think it will stand out against brunette or black hair color better. So let's get started. There's actually instruction inside a box, so like, let me open this. Oh shit. Well, how are you gonna read that if your instruction is fucking inside a box? Okay. Am I doing this right? I don't know, am I doing this right? Okay. Okay. It's not too bad. Ooh, it's not too bad. Okay, woo, the sun is too bright. Okay, let's look at my color. It's actually pretty good. But I mean, I don't think it looks terrible, but you can definitely even it out better. I mean, some of the hair are sticking together. I'm gonna brush it out to see if I can get it more natural looking. So now I apply the hair color through my hair. Again, some of the part is just won't even it out. No matter how hard I try or, you know, how much I try to brush it, it just won't even. And I feel like you need to be very careful the amount of product you apply to your hair. You can't really rush it, otherwise it's gonna be like super uneven. It smells really good though. And I would say like from a distance, it looks okay, but like if you close up, you can see that some parts gets more pigmented and some are not. I would say if you wanted to do your entire head, it's probably not a good idea, but if you want to do highlight, like just like stripped, I think it's gonna be okay. I think it's better if you have a friend to help you out than doing it yourself. And it's better to apply just, you know, highlights rather than the entire head. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Mwah. Holy shit. Look at the color in this bucket. It came off from my hair. So this is what my bathtub looked like after I washed off.